Okay, so here's the thing. The more people searching for a keyword, the more competitive the keyword becomes, which makes sense because businesses naturally go where the market is. Hey everyone, I'm Mark Price and welcome to my channel. If you get value from my video, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you get notified anytime I post new content. So if a ton of people are searching for a keyword, a ton of companies will go after and try to win the keyword and the business that goes with it. So which means higher search volume, more difficult keywords. So in order to succeed, you need to find the balance between the two. You need to go as high as possible with the search volume and as low as possible with the keyword difficulty or competition score. So let's go back to our example of the keyword sports. Let's check the keyword difficulty score. As you'll see, the competition for this word is very high. Should you go for this keyword? Hell no. The keyword difficulty score is way too low. So now what? We'll cover the next steps in my following video. Until next time,